Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that can be nerve-wracking for new parents, bathing your newborn. It's important to keep your baby clean, but it can be intimidating to figure out the best way to do that. In this video, I'll be sharing a complete guide to bathing a newborn, including everything you need to know to make it a safe and enjoyable experience for both you and your little one. So let's dive in. Preparing for the bath. Before you even start filling up the bath, there are a few things you'll need to prepare. First, make sure you have all of your supplies within reach. This includes baby soap, shampoo, a soft washcloth, a hooded towel, a clean diaper, and a change of clothes. You'll also want to make sure the room is warm and draft-free, and that the water temperature is just right. You can use a bath thermometer to make sure the water is between 90 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Getting started. Once you have everything ready, it's time to get your baby undressed and into the bath. Use one hand to support your baby's head and neck, and the other to hold onto their bottom and legs. Slowly lower them into the water, making sure to keep a firm grip on them the whole time. You can use a cup or your hand to gently pour water over their body to keep them warm. Cleaning your baby. Now that your baby is in the water, it's time to start cleaning them. Use a small amount of baby soap to lather up your baby's body, being careful not to get any soap in their eyes or mouth. You can use a soft washcloth or your hand to gently clean their skin, making sure to get into all the folds and creases. Use a small amount of baby shampoo to wash their hair, gently massaging their scalp with your fingertips. Rinsing your baby. Once your baby is all clean, it's time to rinse them off. Use a cup or your hand to pour clean water over their body, making sure to rinse away all of the soap and shampoo. You may want to use a washcloth to wipe away any excess soap. Getting your baby out of the bath. Once your baby is all rinsed off, it's time to get them out of the bath. Use one hand to support their head and neck, and the other to lift their bottom out of the water. Wrap them up in a hooded towel, making sure to cover their head to keep them warm. Drying your baby. Once your baby is wrapped up in a towel, gently pat them dry, being careful not to rub their skin too hard. Pay extra attention to their skin folds, making sure to dry them thoroughly to prevent any diaper rash. You can also use a gentle baby lotion to keep their skin moisturized. After the bath. Once your baby is all dried off, it's time to put on a clean diaper and some fresh clothes. Make sure to use a diaper cream if needed to prevent diaper rash, and choose clothes that are soft and comfortable for your baby. Conclusion. And there you have it, a complete guide to bathing your newborn. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to keep your baby clean and comfortable without any added stress. As always, if you have any questions or tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.